You can't afford downtime, the lost productivity and revenue, the wasted hours on maintenance. It kills your profitability. You know you need to evolve to a more data-driven, predictive maintenance strategy, but how will you ever get there? You're already challenged with labor shortages, a lack of technical skill sets, unplanned downtime, and aging equipment. Sure, there are plenty of industrial technology companies out there, but you need an experienced partner who knows manufacturing. Someone who knows the ins and outs of your specific equipment and has the maintenance expertise to drive improved reliability at your plants. You need an inclusive, scalable solution that maximizes the return on your investment by providing data analytics support with actionable insights to deliver measurable results. You need Reliability 360 Machine Health Monitoring. Advanced Technology Services' unique end-to-end industrial IoT solution is driven by decades of maintenance experience, combining the people, processes, parts, and technology necessary to help manufacturers detect abnormalities, analyze impacts, and respond with corrective on-site actions that ultimately prevent unplanned downtime. We start with a tailored consultation and professional sensor installation to connect your machines to our platform at a plant and enterprise level. Our reliability experts leverage our cloud-based dashboards to analyze real-time condition alerts for proactive analysis before the machine fails. This gives us the ability to monitor fluctuations in vibration, temperature, current, pressure, humidity, and other key performance indicators on each machine. We then provide corrective actions to the on-site maintenance team to prevent unplanned downtime and deliver documented cost avoidance savings. Our Reliability 360 platform can be accessed by your team as well, to easily view asset health across your entire enterprise or drill down to the exact location, equipment type, or individual machine. When you partner with us, you receive value beyond just the technology. Depending on your needs, we can also supply skilled maintenance technicians and industrial parts services to improve short and long-term asset reliability. With decades of maintenance experience, ATS is the trusted global partner you need to improve asset reliability and reduce costs by using predictive technology to optimize labor efficiency. Through our advancements in innovation, proven best practices, and trusted know-how, we are the leader in technology-driven industrial solutions that make your operations safer, more sustainable, and more data-driven. To see how Reliability 360 Machine Health Monitoring can make your factories run better and smarter, schedule a demo today.